Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zeph and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, which of the following most accurately describes your company's production assembly operations? The correct answer to the question is, most all cameras components are sources from outside suppliers having plants or distribution centers near the company's assembly facility. The company uses workstation staffs by 4-person teams to assemble cameras in the most recent year. The current productivity of the assembly teams was 2,500 cameras per quarter, or 10,000 per year. Some cameras are outsourced from contract assemblers that are paid a $25 fee for each camera assembled. So that's the correct answer to the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.